Hello everyone, and this time I'm going to be repairing the Stanley electric power washer, which has the water leak problem. As you can see, when I'm connecting the hose, the water is starting to leak from kind of underneath the device. And it happened to me the second year in a row when that happened, and it's actually is my fault because I did forget to bring this power washer indoors during the winter. So because of the freezing cold, the plastic soap elbow did kind of burst. So what you need to do in case you have the same problem, so you remove all those screws from the back, and then you can remove the front cover. I did try to remove this little handle, but I couldn't, so I removed it all together with the front of the power washer. You'll need to remove this hose from the bottom of the power washer to free up the access to the pump. And here's the culprit. This year actually the problem was not in the elbow itself, not in the plastic elbow, but in this metal bracket holding the elbow in place. So this plastic elbow I did replace last year when it was simply cracked, but this year the actual elbow survived, and the metal bracket was broken. So it's simple repair, just remove the whole thing and either replace the whole kit, which consists of plastic elbow, the metal bracket, and a little valve inside the plastic elbow. Since my elbow is just 1 year old and the valve is 1 year old too, I'm only gonna replace the metal bracket, and I'm gonna put the link in the description below for this kit where did purchase it. So the repair is pretty straightforward. You're gonna need some force to put it back in place. So I couldn't do it like just with the fingers, so I'm gonna use the pliers simply to push it back in place. And there are two clips, one clip from each side. You need to just clip, and then you put the hose in place, and pretty much the repair is complete. Pretty easy fix. And next time, do not forget to store your power washer somewhere in a warm place. So this is what left from the old bracket. Now I'm putting the cover back in place. I'm gonna put all the screws in the back. And by the way, I noticed that exactly same looking power washer is being sold now under the Beast like brand name, but it visually looks identical, so most likely I would assume the inside parts are the same. Now it's a test to see if it did fix the problem, and as you can see, there is no water coming under the power washer. So the repair was successful, and thank you for watching. Hopefully this video was useful for you, and see the link in the description below for this plastic elbow kit. Thank you very much, and see you next time.